Aladdin, a magical adventure. What would you do if you found a magical lamp that could grant you any wish? Imagine being able to change your life forever with just one wish. Would you wish for wealth, power, or something more? Once upon a time, in a faraway city called Agrabah, there lived a poor but kind boy named Aladdin. He lived with his mother in a small old house. They had little food and no money, but they loved each other very much. Aladdin was a young man with dark, messy hair and bright, sparkling eyes that shone with curiosity and determination. He was slim and athletic, often seen running through the streets of Agrabah with a friendly, confident smile. Though he had little, Aladdin had a warm heart and an adventurous spirit. His clothes were simple, and he didn't have much in terms of material wealth, but he carried himself with a certain charm and grace. He was the kind of person who always believed in doing good, no matter how difficult the situation. He liked to watch the rich people walk by, dreaming of a better life.
One day,
he told his mother,
I will do something great.
One day, while Aladdin was walking through the market, a strange man stopped him. He wore a long black coat and a shiny ring.
"Hello, my boy,"
said the man.
"Are you Aladdin?"
Yes.
Said Aladdin.
How do you know my name?
"I have been traveling for many years. Now I am back, and I want to help you."
Aladdin had never heard about an uncle before, but the man looked friendly.
What kind of help?
"I know a secret place. There is treasure there. You can take it, but I only want one thing, a little old lamp."
The man took Aladdin far into the desert. They stopped near a big rock. He threw some powder in the air and said strange words. Suddenly the ground opened. A dark cave appeared. The man said,
"Go inside. You will see gold and jewels. Take what you like, but bring me the lamp."
Okay.
said Aladdin. He was a little afraid, but also excited. He went inside. The cave was full of shining treasure, diamonds, rubies, gold coins. He filled his pockets. Then he saw the old lamp. It was dusty and small.
Why does he want this?
Aladdin wondered. He picked up the lamp and walked back to the cave door.
"Give me the lamp first,"
shouted the man.
"No, let me out first."
The man became angry. He shouted again.
"Give it to me."
Aladdin held the lamp tightly. He didn't trust the man. Suddenly, the man said magic words, and the cave closed. Aladdin was now trapped. He sat in the dark cave, scared and tired. He looked at the lamp.
Maybe it can help,
he said, wiping it with his sleeve. Suddenly, boom! A cloud of blue smoke came out of the lamp. A big genie appeared.
"Who wakes me from my sleep?"
the genie said in a deep voice.
"I am the genie of the lamp. I will serve you."
Aladdin's eyes grew wide.
Really? Can you help me get out?
"Of course,"
said the genie.
"Your wish is my command."
In a flash, Aladdin was outside the cave. He ran home with the lamp in his hand. Aladdin and his mother used the lamp carefully. They asked the genie for food, clothes, and a nicer house. Soon they lived well. Aladdin became stronger and helped many people. One day, Aladdin saw Princess Jasmine walking in the market. She wore a simple veil, and no one knew she was a princess. She was a beautiful young woman with long, dark hair that cascaded down her back. Her bright, curious eyes sparkled with kindness, and her warm smile was enough to make anyone feel at ease. Jasmine was also known for her intelligence, courage, and strong will. Unlike many princesses, she did not like to stay locked away in the palace. She loved exploring the city and learning about the people in her kingdom.
"Hello,"
she said.
"You are not like the other men."
Aladdin smiled.
I try to be kind. Who are you?
"Just a girl from the palace."
She answered. They talked for a long time. Jasmine laughed at his stories, and Aladdin felt happy. He admired her beauty, but more than that, he was drawn to her kindness and independence. Aladdin, who had always dreamed of something more, found himself captivated by Jasmine's strength and compassion.
I want to marry her.
"But she is a princess,"
His mother said.
"You are not a prince."
I will ask the genie.
Aladdin replied. He took the lamp and said,
Genie, make me a prince. I want to marry Princess Jasmine.
The genie gave him rich clothes, gold, and servants. He rode a big white horse to the palace. The king liked him, and soon Aladdin married the princess. They lived in a beautiful palace made by the genie, with gardens, fountains, and music. Aladdin and Jasmine were happy and kind rulers. Far away, the evil magician heard that Aladdin had the lamp.
That boy still has it. I must get it back.
He dressed as a poor man and walked through Agrabah.
Old lamps for new ones.
Jasmine heard him. She didn't know the lamp was magic.
"Oh, Aladdin's old lamp looks dirty. I'll give it to him and get a new one."
The magician laughed when he got the lamp.
Now I have it again. Genie, take the palace and the princess far away.
The palace disappeared. When Aladdin came home, everything was gone. Aladdin was heartbroken, but he didn't give up.
I must find Jasmine.
He traveled far, asked many people, and searched for days. At last, he found the palace in a faraway desert. He wore simple clothes and went inside. Jasmine saw him and ran to him.
"Aladdin, I made a mistake,"
she cried.
Don't worry, Jasmine, I will fix it.
That night, he took the lamp while the magician was sleeping. He called the genie.
Take us home and send the magician far away.
He said. The genie smiled. Your wish is my command. The palace flew back to Agrabah. The magician disappeared forever. Aladdin and Jasmine lived happily together. He told her the truth about the lamp, and they kept it safe, but they didn't use it often.
We have what we need.
Aladdin said.
Love, family, and a little magic when we really need it.
And so, they ruled the land with kindness and joy. People remembered Aladdin not just as the boy with the lamp, but as a hero with a good heart. If you had the chance to ask the genie for 3 wishes, what would you wish for? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you would do with a little magic in your life. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you won't miss any of our future stories. See you in the next one.